Hi, my dear students. We are going to the chapter-wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. Topic is the transformations. Now we are going to the questions. The question is sin 78 degrees minus sin 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees is equal to first option minus 1, second option 0, third option 1 and fourth option 2. Now we have to take the expression that is sin 78 degrees minus sin 18 degrees plus cos. This cos 132 can be write to 90 plus 42. So that's why cos 90 plus 42 belongs to the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos 90 plus theta, it gives minus sin theta. That's why minus sin 42. That's why this 78 can be write 60 plus 80. This is 80. 42 can be write 60 minus 80. Now this is in the form of sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b is nothing but 2 cos a sin b. That's why 2 times of cos a, cos 60, sin 18. So minus sin 18 here. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. That's why 2 gets cancelled here. 2 gets cancelled. Then sin 18 minus sin 18. Now these two gets cancelled. Sin 18 minus sin 18 gets cancelled. Answer is 0. That's why that is in second option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. Now the question that is cos 56 degrees plus cos 58 degrees minus cos 66 degrees minus 4 cos 28 degrees cos 29 degrees sin 33 degrees is equal to the first option 0, second option 1, third option minus 1 and fourth option 2. Now we have to take the expression that is cos 56 degrees, cos 58 degrees minus cos 66 degrees minus 4 cos 28 degrees, cos 29 degrees cos sin 33 degrees. So let us consider this part, this underlined part that is cos 56 degrees plus cos 58 degrees minus cos 66 degrees taken as small x. That means we have to find first this value. That means we have to reduce this result in terms of this. That's why from this we have to cos 56 degrees. This can be right. That means this will comparing with the formula cos c minus cos d. Actually, what is formula for cos c minus cos d? That is 2 sin d plus c by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. That's why according to this formula, here it is C, it is D. That's why 2 sin D plus C, 66 plus 58, 124 by 2, 62 degrees. And 66 minus 58, that is 8 by 2, 4 degrees. That's all. Again, this cos theta, we know the formula for cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. In place of theta, here it is 56 degrees. That's why 2 cos square 56 by 2, that is 28 minus 1. Okay. And 2 sin 62 cos sin 4 degrees. Here 28 degrees is there. That's why this 62 can be right 90 minus 28, since sin 62 can be right sin 90 minus 28. Actually sin 90 minus 80 is called cos 28. That's why instead of sin 62 we have to write cos 28. Since 28 and 62 complementary angles, that's why instead of sin 62 degrees we have to write cos 28 degrees. Here it is sin 4 degrees. Now we have to take common from these two cos 28. Now remaining in bracket, this is cos 28 plus sin 4. So minus 1 here it is. That's all. Again in place of cos 28 we have to write sin 62. Since sin 62 cos 28 equal, in place of cos 28 sin 62 we have to write. Since according to the formula sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d formula? Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. According to this formula, we have to write this one. 2 sine 62 plus 4, 66 by 2, that is 33. And 62 minus 4, that is 58 by 2 is 29. That's all. Now from this one, 2 into 2, 4. 4 cos 28, cos 29, sin 33, minus 1 is there. This is the value of x. Now we have to substitute in place of this the x value. So the x value, what is that? X value, what is this? 4 cos 28 degrees, cos 29 degrees, sin 33 degrees, minus 1, minus 4 cos 28 degrees, cos 29 degrees, sin 33 degrees. That's all. Now these gets cancelled. That's why here answer is minus 1. So that is in third option. So third option is right answer for this question. Now we are going to one more question. Now the question, the value of sine 47 degrees plus sine 61 degrees minus sine 11 degrees minus sine 25 degrees is equal to the first option sine 7 degrees, second option cos 7 degrees, and third option sine 14 degrees, and the fourth option cos 14 degrees. Now we have to take the expression, that is sine 47 degrees minus sine 25 degrees, sine 61 degrees minus sine 11 degrees. So we have to rearrange the expression. So sine 47 minus sine 25 and sine 61 minus sine 11. Now we have to apply the formula, that is sine c minus sine d formula, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. Okay, sine c minus sine d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. According to this formula, here it is 2 cos 47 plus 25, that is 72 by 2, that is 36 degrees, and 47 minus 25, that is 22, that's why it is 11 degrees. Same here also, 61 plus 11, 72 by 2, that is 36, and 61 minus 11, that is 50, that is by 2, it is 25 degrees. That's why here we have to write, now take common 2 cos 36 from these two. 2 cos 36 is common, remaining sin 11 plus sin 25. Sin 11 plus sin 25. Again, this is in the form of sin c plus sin d, where the form, that is sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. According to this form, we have to write from this step, that is 2 sin 11 plus 25, that is 36 by 2, 18, and 11 minus 25, that is minus 14 by 2, minus 7. That's why you have to write here, it is 2 cos 36 into this one. That's why 2 into 2, 4 cos 36, sin 18. Cos minus 7 is nothing but plus cos 7. Since cos minus theta is plus cos theta, cos minus theta is plus cos theta, that is. Since cos minus theta is plus cos theta, that's why here 4 times of cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. And then it is cos 7 degrees. Now here 4 gets cancelled. Now root 5 plus 1 into root 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 1. That's why 5 minus 1 by 4 is cancelled. Since 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 by 4 cancelled. Now cos 7. So cos 7 is the answer, that is in second option. That's why second option is the right answer for this question. Now we are going to one more question. Now observe the question. If alpha is equal to 2 pi by 7, then tan alpha into tan 2 alpha plus tan 2 alpha tan 4 alpha plus tan 4 alpha tan alpha is equal to, now the first option minus 1, second option minus 3, and third option minus 5, and fourth option minus 7. Now we have to take the conditions. So alpha is equal to 2 pi by 7, that's why 7 alpha is equal to 2 pi. By cross multiplication, 7 alpha is equal to 2 pi. Now take the expression, that is tan alpha tan 2 alpha plus tan 2 alpha tan 4 alpha plus tan 4 alpha tan alpha. Now we have to write in terms of sine and cos. That's why this is sine alpha sine 2 alpha by cos alpha cos 2 alpha. Sine 2 alpha sine 4 alpha by cos 2 alpha cos 4 alpha, like that. Okay. Now we have to take LCM. So LCM is cos alpha cos 2 alpha cos 4 alpha. Numerator, that is sine alpha sine 2 alpha cos 4 alpha plus cos alpha sine 2 alpha sine 4 alpha plus sine alpha cos 2 alpha sine 4 alpha. That's all. Now numerator we can write sigma sine alpha sine 2 alpha cos 4 alpha. Sigma represents the consecutive sum of consecutive terms. Sigma represents sum of consecutive terms. That's why this can be write in terms of sigma notation. That's why this expansion, this sigma sine alpha sine 2 alpha sine 4 alpha by this is product cos alpha cos 2 alpha cos 4 alpha, that can be write represents pi. So pi cos alpha, that means consecutive alpha 2 alpha 4 alpha, since alpha plus 2 alpha plus 4 alpha is equal to 2 pi. That's why product it represents pi. Now we know one formula. That is cos A plus B plus C is equal to cos A plus B plus C is equal to pi cos A minus sigma sin A sin B cos C. Pi cos A minus sigma sin A sin B cos C. That's why according to this form, suppose we have to take A is alpha, B is 2 alpha, C is 4 alpha, then in place of sigma, in place of numerator, sigma sin A sin B cos C, what we have to write? Pi cos A minus cos of A plus B plus C, like that. So in here pi cos alpha gets cancelled, that's why it is 1 minus cos of alpha plus 2 alpha plus 4 alpha, this is 7 alpha. Cos 7, so 7 alpha is nothing but 2 pi. That's why cos 2 pi by this cos alpha. We know one formula, that is cos theta cos 2 theta. We know one formula, that is cos theta cos 2 theta cos 2 square theta so on, cos 2 power n minus 1 theta is equal to sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. That's why here in denominator, that is cos alpha cos 2 alpha cos 2 square alpha is nothing but we can write sin 2 cube alpha by 2 cube sin alpha according to this formula. That's all. Now 1 minus sin 2 pi. 2 pi is nothing but 360 degrees. Sin 360 degrees is 1 by this formula. Sin 8 alpha by 8 sin alpha. Now we have to write reciprocal. 1 minus 8 sin alpha by sin. This 8 alpha can be written 7 alpha plus alpha. Now 7 alpha is 2 pi. 7 alpha is 2 pi. That's why sin 2 pi plus alpha. Sin 2 pi plus alpha is sin alpha. Sin alpha gets cancelled. Now 1 minus 8 is minus 7. That's why fourth option is the right answer. So that is the solution for this question. So this is a little bit difficulty. Of course, a memory based question for JEE Mains, it is very, very important. The questions depends upon this model are very, very important. That's why we have to a little bit difficulty question from transformations by using these applications, these two forms. That's why this question completely depends upon these two forms. Expansion of cos of A plus B plus C and the both the cosine functions form there. Okay, that's why these type of questions are very, very important and a little bit a difficulty one. Okay, right. Next question. Now observe the question. The value of 1 minus 4 sin 10 degrees sin 70 degrees by 2 sin 10 degrees is. The first option is 1 by 2, second option is 1, and third option is 2, and fourth option is 1 by 3. So we have to take the expression, that is 1 minus 4 sin 10 sin 80 sin 70. This can be right. That 4 can be written 2 times of 2 sin 70 sin 10 degrees. Now observe the bracket. Now this is in the form of 2 sin A sin B. Actually, what is the formula for 2 sin A sin B? 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. According to that, here A is 70, B is 10. That's why, so cos A minus B, 70 minus 10, 60, and cos A plus B, 70 plus 10, 80. That's 1 minus, multiply with the 2, minus 2 cos 60, minus plus 2 cos 80. That's why cos 60 is 1 by 2. That's why 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 cos. This 80 can be written 90 minus 10. That's all. Here it is 2 to gets cancelled, 1 minus 1. 2 sin, cos 90 minus 10 is sin 10. That's why 2 sin 10 by 2 sin 10. That's why that is answer is 1. That's why that is second option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now observe the question, the value of sine 20 degrees into 4 plus secant 20 degrees. So observe the expression. So options are not given there. So their options are, so from the given options, first option 1 by 2, second option root 2, and third option root 3, and fourth option 1. We have to take the expression that is sine 20 degrees into 4 plus secant 20 degrees. So sine 20 into, now this can be right, secant 20 is nothing but 1 by cos 20 degrees. That's all. Now sine 20 into 4, take LCM, this is 4 plus cos 20 plus 1 by cos 20. Multiply with sine 20 degrees here. 4 sine 20 degrees cos 20 degrees plus sine 20 degrees. Now this step can be right 2 times of 2 sine 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. Since that is according to the formula 2 sine theta cos theta is nothing but sine 2 theta. That's why 2 times of 2 sine theta cos theta, where theta is 20. So sine 2 theta, sine 2 into 20, sine 40. That's why that is 2 sine 40 plus sine 20. Here it is by cos 20. That's all. This 40 can be right. This 40 is nothing but 60 minus 20. So that 40 is 60 minus 20. Now expand the notation of sine expansion. Sine A minus B formula. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. According to that, here it is sine 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sine 20. Multiply with the 2 in front of the expansion. 2 is there. 2 sine 60 cos 20 minus 2 cos 60 sine 20. Here it is sine 20. That's all. So actually sine 60 is root 3 by 2. That's why 2 gets cancelled. Here it is root 3. Now cos 20, right, minus, here it is cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, sine 20. So minus sine 20 plus sine 20 gets cancelled. Minus sine 20 plus sine 20 gets cancelled. Root 3 times of cos 20 by denominator cos 20. That's why cos 20 gets cancelled. Answer is root 3. That is in third option. That's why third option is the right answer. Now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. Another question, that is the smallest positive value of x in degrees for which tan x plus 100 degrees is equal to tan x plus 50 degrees into tan x minus 50 degrees is first option 30 degrees and second option 45 degrees, fourth, third option 55 degrees and fourth option 15 degrees. Now we have to take the equation tan x plus 100 is equal to tan x plus 50 degrees into tan x minus 50 degrees. By verification, it is by option verification. It is very easy. Suppose we have to take x is equal to 30 degrees. Substitute in place of x 30. Then it is tan 130 degrees is equal to tan 80 degrees is equal to tan 30 degrees tan 130 degrees is equal to tan 80 into tan 30 into tan minus 20. Since in place of x we have to substitute 30 degrees. So this 130 can be written 90 plus 40. Now this tan minus theta is minus tan theta, like that minus tan 80, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, it is tan 20, that's all. Now tan 90 plus theta belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, at the same time it gives cot, that's why minus cot 40. So both sides minus gets cancelled, this can be write 1 by tan. Apply cross multiplication, then root 3 is equal to tan 20, tan 40, tan 80. Actually, we know the formula. Tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta. Tan 60 plus theta is equal to tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta. That's why tan 20, tan 60 minus 20, tan 60 plus 20 is tan 3 into 20. That is tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. That's why x is equal to 30 degrees is the smallest value satisfy this equation. That's why answer is 30 degrees, that is in first option. That's all. Another question, if secant theta plus alpha plus secant theta minus alpha is equal to secant theta and cos alpha not equal to 1, then cos theta is equal to first option plus or minus root 2 sin alpha by 2, second option plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2, third option plus or minus sin alpha by 2, fourth option plus or minus cos alpha by 2. Now, so we have to write the reciprocal, take the relation, that is secant theta plus alpha plus secant theta minus alpha is equal to secant theta. We have to write the reciprocal, so then cosine functions. Now take LCM here. Now numerator cos sum of the cosine expansions, so denominator for LHS, that is product of the cosine expansions. Sum of the cosine expansions 2 cos A cos B formula, product of the cosine expansion sin cos square theta minus sin square theta, sin cos square A minus sin square B. So after here 2 gets cancelled in both LHS and LHS. After cross multiplication, so we get cos square theta cos alpha is equal to cos square theta minus sin square alpha. From this sin square alpha is equal to like this. Take common cos square theta. Here sin square alpha is nothing but 1 minus cos square alpha. So 1 minus cos square alpha is nothing but 1 plus cos alpha into 1 minus cos alpha. So cos alpha not equal to 1, that's why these two gets cancelled. So cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos alpha. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos alpha is nothing but 2 cos square alpha by 2 from submultiple angles. That's why cos theta is equal to plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2, that is in second option. That's all. So this is also one of the important questions. Now we are going to practicing questions. Okay, I will give practicing questions now. Now practice these questions. Find sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10 degrees is equal to. So this can be right sin 60 minus 10, sin 60 plus 10, sin 10. So according to the formula we get 0. Here also this one same, this one same, this one same. So for this one also same. So we have to prove this RHS is sin 70 plus sin 80. So this can be now sixth question. Sin x plus sin y is equal to a, cos x plus cos y is equal to b, then find the values. According to sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d, sin c minus sin d and cos c minus cos d, you can prove and verify all the answers. Okay? Right. Bye bye.